peeps? What's up? How are ya? I'm hoping this comes across your guys' For You page too, because I die laughing, but we're gonna try not to laugh as long as possible. I don't know if it's gonna work. Sometimes I can wheeze laugh myself, and then I end up laughing more because wheeze laughs just get me. So yeah, we're gonna try reacting to some wheeze laughter.
Okay, let's try.
Oh, I think I've seen her before.
Just pop around in.
Uh-huh.
Let's see.
Uh-huh. Wait. I'm trying not to laugh. Just dying. Nah, we need more.
I don't know where you're going, but I'm going far from pooping. It's quite far from pooping.
These are hard.
Mr. Taxi driver, please can you take me up backside? Can you take me up backside, Lynn? Oh God, shit a ton. If you can't find the book you're looking for, then you're obviously in the wrong place.
I love this video.
One fucking book. Girls
Go
are back
back
here.
here.
Yeah, man, sure. When you didn't think you were going to see a bridge, but then you see one. Oh shit, a bridge.
I'm done. I'm just gonna laugh now.
Chicken rude and unreasonable. I hope a driver. Me, walk down.
And has hilarious laugh. Does she laugh like that normally or no?
You didn't even lick it.
Poor thing. What are they doing? Okay. They're trying to get a video of him? Oh. Oh no! You got caught.
What's even weirder?
What?
There's a lady in New Zealand that makes dish towels with your face on them. And I'm going to show you one because I want you to know it exists. 3 Ryan Goslings on a dish towel. Would you wash dishes with your own face? And I just have this in my house. This is a thing that exists. Hey girl, bet you'd rather be doing these dishes. That's what this woman thinks you say.
It's like looking at the sun. I can't stare directly at it.
What on God's green earth? That made me laugh too. That was a good catch. that one sound like? It went up an octave.
Oh, I've got a stench.
Oh! My stomach hurts too.
That one break that laugh is funnier than the joke. Path.
Not the toothbrush.
Not the toothbrush. Me already on the plane. Oh god. The cheese I spilled at the bottom of the oven. So stupid.
It's very funny. I just thought I'd share it.
Oh.
Seconds later.
Are you having fun painting?
That's a bird! Okay, that was good. Yes, all of them saved this time. Excellent. Oh! Oh. Last video I tried to do with this, one of the clips did not save and I had to redo it. Anyway. I don't know why I try not to laugh challenges because I lose. And you guys like to hear me laugh anyways, so it's a win-win, I guess, in that scenario. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want to see more, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I try and put out new videos for you guys every single week. Comment below what you would like to see next. post if you laughed, if this also appears on your For You page. Are we the same? And with all that being said, remember my peeps, be kind to each other in real life and on the internet, and spread positivity everywhere that you go. And with that, we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!